Where to find the auto capitalize as well as the auto space setting for your Microsoft SwiftKey keyboard. And this is with the late 2025 update using Android devices. So let's just say you're about to start typing and your keyboard pops up like this here. Now you want to look for the setting that enables these two features. And in order to do this, you'll tap on the three dots right here above where your keyboard suggestive strip is, right there. As you do this, you'll see settings here, and when you go into the settings, you're going to look for the typing option. So look for typing, which is this one here. And once here, you want to go down until you see auto capitalize and auto spacing. Okay, so basically automatically capitalize after a punctuation. So if you type a sentence or a word with a punctuation followed, that's going to be capitalized. And you also have the auto space, automatically entered a space with a punctuation. So let's just say I am saying the word Mike, right? I'm going to say Mike. I'm going to comma it. You'll see that there's a capital letter. Same thing again, you notice that extra space. Now I'm going to type Mike again. And I'm going to put a period. And you'll see how the M becomes capital. And after that punctuation, the period, you notice that extra space. That's what these two features does. And that's that. Like and sub.